I can't tell.
Good evening, and welcome to the first Democratic debate of the 2016 campaign. What is your position on the big banks?
Not a fan of the banks. They trample on the middle class, they control Washington, and why do they chain all their pens to the desks? Who's trying to steal a pen from a bank? Makes no sense. That's why you gotta break up the banks into little pieces and then flush the pieces down the toilet and never put the banks back together. You just make the bankers pay for college for everyone, and America's fixed. Hey!
You're struggling to put your email scandal behind you.
Sorry, just clearing my throat. Go.
What's the deal with emails anyway? I forgot my password the other day, so they say we'll email you a new one. But I can't get into my email to get the password. And come next November,